How to download Ring application. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can download Ring application on your mobile device. Ring app is a mobile application used to monitor and control Ring devices such as video doorbells, security cameras, and smart home accessories. It also allows users to receive notifications, view live video feeds, and interact with visitors remotely. So to download it, open the Play Store of your device or any other app store if you are using your iOS device. Once you reach to this interface of your Play Store application, here at the top you will find the search bar. Click on the search bar and at the search bar type Ring. You may get various search results about the specific keyword, but find the authentic app. This is the authentic Ring application. Here at the right side of the application you will see the install button. Click on the install button and wait patiently until the application installs and downloads on your device. Once the application installs on your device, at the right side you will see open button. Click on the open button. Now create an account on it and start using it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.